Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am so excited to unbox TeaPrayLove. Is that not the cutest name? As soon as I saw it, I have to admit I kind of became a fan just on the creativity of the name alone. But what TeaPrayLove does is they take care of your mind, your body, and your soul with this little subscription box. Inside, you have really 3 different options on the boxes that you can choose from. From a smaller box, which they call the Pray box, it's $17.95. Or the Petite box at $29.95. Or what I have here, the Premier box at $39.95. But they focus on artisan, loose leaf teas, self-care books and journals, and luxe skincare sent to you bi-monthly. So this is, in my opinion, the ultimate gift for any kind of entrepreneur, a mom. I mean, I can speak from both of those roles. To have something sent like this every other month, to know that that is going to be my time to pour into me, and its accountability to remember to pour into me, is pure brilliance. So they sent over their Premier box so I can just show you what's inside. Take a peek if you guys like what you see. Let me encourage you to enact a little bit of self-care love, because I know that all of us entrepreneurs, mompreneurs, moms could use it. There are 5 items inside this box. We'll dive into them. Can y'all see? It's wrapped real cute. First item here is, the tea. I wonder if I can smell it. It's sealed good. So this one is a Blueberry Beach Breeze. That sounds amazing. And then this is Simply Ginger Red Raspberry Leaf Tea. And so in this box, you get 10 plus servings of a tea. In the Petite box, you get 4 servings. And in the Pray box, you get 10 servings in a book. So all of them kind of take care of different things. So make sure you check out all 3 options. But these teas look amazing. Of course, I've got to grab this next. What is this? Skin Foodie Face and Body Soap in Magma. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out, but here's the wrapper. But now that I showed y'all. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Uses volcanic rock and charcoal to provide a gentle exfoliating treatment to the skin. Can y'all see that? I cannot wait to use this. Gosh, that smells really, really good. Okay, and then this is Indie Lee Lotion. Is it CoQ10? Is that how you say it? I'm so bad at all these, but let me show it to you. It is to hydrate and rebalance your skin's pH level with a hyaluronic, how do you say this stuff? Acid and aloe vera based essence. All I know is that it looks like it would be good on my skin and my hair. I wonder if I can use it in my hair. Let's see if it has a smell. Oh, it smells clean. It does not have like a perfume. It smells clean. As you may be noticing, I'm pulling out full-size products on these. These are not sample size. Let's make a good gift, y'all. And then you always get a book or a journal. That's what's at the bottom here. This is, bookmark. Zen as a journal for practicing the mindful art of not giving a, this is a family channel. Breathe in strength and breathe out the bull, you know what, in your life. So it's kind of a mix of a book and a journal, because there's reading, but then there's also where you could write out things. And have I mentioned it's gorgeous? Look how beautiful this is. So this box is the Premier box, which comes with tea, which is 10 plus servings of tea, a book or a journal, and skincare products. And then they say they throw in surprises. Those vary. Y'all, this is a great gift. Great gift. Gift it to yourself if you are finding yourself overworking in 2019 already. If you already see that you are not dedicating time to yourself, have something like this shipped in. I know people don't really always get the subscription box model, but if this shows up to your door, you're not gonna toss it to the side and ignore it. You're gonna open it. It's gonna be your reminder to take care of you, take a break, calm down. And then when you get books and journals like this, it tells you exactly how to do it. TeaPrayLove, this is incredible, super, super cute. I'm gonna take some photos, of course, put a blog post up so you guys can take a peek. And I wanna challenge you guys to take care, self-care. If it's not already in your mantra, go ahead and add it in so that you can kick off summer and kids getting out of school beautifully. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye, y'all.